Hey traders, Philip Tigerson here from Stock Market Strategy. Before I start, I just want to say that trading involves risk and hard work, so please do your own due diligence before trading for real money. Today I'm going to talk about descending triangles. I will explain the requirements for this chart pattern and how to spot them. Furthermore, I'll explain the psychology behind the pattern and then show you how to trade the descending triangle. If you go to our website www.stock-market-strategy.com, you'll find a tab called Education, Chart Patterns and Descending Triangle. Here you'll find a written explanation including two charts, one showing you the requirements and one showing you how to trade the triangle. Descending triangle is a bearish continuation pattern, meaning we'll be looking to trade in the direction of an already established downtrend. The descending triangle gives us the consolidation a stock needs in order to continue down. Descending triangle is a real-time tool, whereas an indicator is lacking. This is one of the reasons this pattern is widely used. Another reason for its popularity is that the pattern is very common and easy to spot. Here are the requirements for the descending triangle so you know how to spot the pattern for yourself in the future. First, we need an established trend. This is because it's a continuation pattern, so it needs a prior trend to continue. Second, we need equal lows, and third, lower highs. Number 4, decreasing volume is not a must, but more often than not will you experience decreasing volume inside the descending triangle. 5, resistant trend line, and together with number 6, support trend line, these two trend line forms the descending triangle. And 7, the breakdown, and this is very important because this pattern is not confirmed until we get a close underneath the support trend line. So when this close happens, we got a confirmed descending triangle. Often you will see increased volume on the breakdown, this bar here. This increase in volume improves the odds that this breakdown is valid. I like this pattern because I understand why it works. It uses the psychology in trading because you can see when other traders are in emotional and financial pain. Here's an example. We see these two equal lows. Some traders might consider this a double bottom. But a double bottom is not confirmed until it takes out the high in between these two lows, this high. But when we bounce from this fake double bottom up here, we form a lower high. The slope of the trend line and this lower high shows us that sellers are getting more aggressive. The people who bought here should have seen this as a warning. But many traders don't see this, and when it then takes out the support line here, the traders who went long here are now underwater and losing money. This leads to panic selling, and this is the reason why the descending triangle feeds on losing traders. You now know the requirements for this pattern and the psychology behind it, so let me show you how and where to go short. The first opportunity to enter is when we get the confirmation that it is a descending triangle. It is when we get a close below the support line and these two equal lows. Preferable, we also like to see an increase in volume down here, like a volume bar above average volume. This adds to the confirmation of this trade. Second opportunity is a might miss. Price doesn't always pull back to test the triangle, to test what were support, which is now resistance. This is because the buyers over here are happy to cover their loss, small loss here, when it comes back to their entry point. They're just happy that they didn't lose a lot. If and when this retracement happens, you get a high odds trade. Here you see a bar opening at resistance, but it fails to climb anything after the opening and drops all the way down here. Comes a little bit up again, but it closes down here. So it fails to climb after hitting resistance, which shows that sellers are coming in. This is your confirmation to go short. This ends today's video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Please remember to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future videos.